Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new Arabic series. Today we are going to learn lesson number 7 part 1 and the topic is Al-Jism, the body. In this lesson we are going to learn the name different body parts in Arabic. First of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Rijl. Let's repeat. Rijl. Leg. Rijl. Okay, the next one. Uzun. Ear. Let's repeat. Uzun. Ear. Okay, the next one. Zahr. Back. Let's repeat. Zahr. Okay, the next one. Zufr. Nil. Let's repeat. Zufr. Nil. Okay, the next one. Fam. Mouth. Let's repeat. Fam. Mouth. The next one. Anf. Nose. Let's repeat. Anf. Nose. The next one. Yad. Hand. Let's repeat. Yad. Hand. The next one. Ain. Eye. Let's repeat. Ain. Okay, let's have a little recap. Rijl. Uzun. Zahr. Zufr. Fam. Anf. Yad. Congratulations, we have completed the lesson number 7. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz, wada'a araka kariban. Goodbye, see you soon.